Yeah, main reason to go solar, and I mean, despite the obvious reasons of wanting to be environmentally conscious and thinking about my impact, is just the financial incentives lined up. The tax credit, you do the math, you're paying the same amount to either a long-term investment on your property or to PG&E. It was a smart choice, and we got a great personal service, a lot of attention, lots of great follow-up, and a great personal touch with our service here. It just was a really smart choice and a great service from Tim.